Good morning, Balers, and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Xander Keys.
And I'm Alexander Nicolason.
Ogwo David Anik is a freelancer, writer, sage motivator, poet, researcher, innovator, positive change facilitator, life coach, and visionary leader.
He points out synergy without strategy results to a waste of energy.
The ASVAB will be offered at the Hollister High School on Thursday, September 28th, 2023. Please sign up with Mrs. Andrade in the College and Career Center if you wish to take the test. The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, ASVAB, is a multiple aptitude battery that measures developed abilities and helps predict the future academic and occupational success in the military.
Where do you learn to make a banana split?
I don't know, where do you learn?
Sunday school, of course.
Seniors, please join us for UC/CSU Information Night on Thursday, September 21st at 6:30 p.m. via Zoom. Admission counselors from UC Santa Cruz and CSU Monterey Bay will be presenting information about admission requirements, application process, majors, testing requirements, campus life, and financial aid, etc.
Valley Pizzeria is hosting a benefit event to support this year's ASB benefactor, Ruby Melendez. This Thursday, September 21st from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m., 20% of proceedings go to Ruby. Be sure to mention Ruby at checkout and enjoy the great pizza.
That's all for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember,
go Balers!